I also operate at a company. I have a day job. My modus operandi is this. I email every founder I've invested in or worked with on a regular basis, either monthly or quarterly, to check in to see how I can help. So it's just a very short thing. How's it going? How can I help? That's it. Beyond that, when I first invest, I give my cell phone number to every founder, WhatsApp, Messenger, etc., and I say I'm available to you on demand. I don't do, it's very hard to set up weekly meetings and so on because life comes at you at random times. It doesn't wait. Problems for companies emerge at random times or questions they have. So I tell them, message me anytime you have a question, and within 12 hours, within half a day, we'll find a time to chat. Some founders take me up on it and message me almost daily or multiple times a week across dozens of topics. Others don't, and they ping me every few months. And so, to be honest, it depends on the founder because I don't have the bandwidth to go and chase them down. And ultimately, if the founder is not proactive enough, these are all adults, right? It's not my children where I can force feed them. They're all adults. They're all hopefully great founders. And it's actually one of the most interesting things that has happened. Sometimes it's good because that means the founders has built a team around them that is helping them solve the problems. So sometimes founders do get really involved in terms of day-to-day interaction. Then over time, it decreases as the founders build a team. And that's actually a good thing. So I do think over time, and once I won't name the company, but I would meet with the CEO almost every week, I think. And we would do, back then, there was a video conference, this was about 10 years ago. We would do calls and so on. But then he just stopped. Once he built his management team, he just stopped engaging with me. And then the next time I heard from him was when the company filed to go public. And so 5 years later. And so that's a great thing where I felt that I'd helped the company very early days. And then it took 5 years. And then suddenly received a notice that, hey, your shares, here's the filing. And they're going to be converted into this class of shares, etc. And that's awesome. So I think it's actually a good thing when founders graduate to a point where they are self-sufficient. And obviously I'm always there. But you want the founders to build teams that can help, because they are the closest to the business. They understand the business much more than I do. I can give generic advice, but I'll never, as a company grows and matures, they should have much better insights about the business, about the market than I do.